Welcome to my backyard, my channel. So for those of you that are new, this is where I live. This is my woods. Well, it's not my woods, it's the planet's woods, and I'm just allowed to live here and be a land steward of this wonderful property. Lots of rocks here. I live in Rocksylvania. I live up on a mountain in Pennsylvania, so basically the land here, if you dig anything up, this is all it is. It is stone, stone, stones. People pay a lot of money for these Pennsylvania slate. All I have to do is dig in my yard. You'll see under under the leaves here, the slate just pops out. So I can basically just dig around and make stone walkways out of all the Pennsylvania slate that is under the leaves in here. I'm trying to see if I could find... Oh, listen to the wind. There's my house out there. We're having a nor'easter blowing in right now. There's a big dead tree that's got to come down. Waiting to see if the wind takes it down naturally like it did with that one. If not, we'll probably cut that one down. So we're just going through a little walk in my woods. Big rocks popping through. So yeah, there's these big huge rocks like this everywhere. Pretty cool, I think. Lots of dead trees out here that have just fallen. Okay, so here's one right here. See these? This is like way in the ground, but you can basically just like dig this out, and there you go. You have a piece of slate for your walkway or your walls. They come up like this, like parallel. It's really cool, and they'll just go boom, 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 and you'll see like rows of them. The trees grow around the rocks. There's one right there. It's pretty interesting. Coming from Michigan, I find this really fascinating. I don't know, you might be bored, but especially if you're here for makeup. Oh, look, here's this big dead tree. Mushrooms really, really like this. I don't think these are edible, and I'm not going to find out. They are cool looking, though, aren't they? They're kind of creepy. And see, the trees just kind of tend to... Well, this one's dead, but they grow around the rocks, and it's really crazy. A tree will fall. Ooh, there's a really good one over here. Hold on. Are you bored yet? I hope not. It's just so pretty out here. If you don't live somewhere where you get fall, maybe you're liking the experience of this. There's some really cool moss on a rock. Fuzzy. It's like a little pillow. I just want to sleep on like a bed of moss. Oh. It's so soft and squishy. Soft and squishy. I shall name you Squishy, and you will be my Squishy. Here's a big rock with a whole bunch of moss growing on it. Right here. It's my finger for scale. It's a really big rock with lots of moss on it. And I want to go around to the other side of this dead tree. Well, this one's alive. But see, coming out of here, check out how this stone is just popping out, and see how the tree grew around it. This is actually part of the tree right here. And then there's mushrooms growing there. Big stone, big stepping stone, and there's no way I can get this out because the tree has it. The tree has grown around this stone and is holding on to it. So this is tree bark right here. Tree bark here, stone right there. There's another stone here. So yeah, the trees just grow around the stone like that and hold on to it. Which, I don't know. Like I said, you might find this really boring. I just think it's like, maybe it's just me. I am fascinated by that. It's that saying from Jurassic Park, life finds a way. I walk around the woods and I always think life finds a way. The trees just find a way to grow around the stones. Oh, Sorry if I'm a little sniffly. It's my allergies. Okay, so we're getting to a very stony area. Here's another one that I could just pick up and carry and go make a stone wall or a stepping stone out of it. I'm going to leave it there though. And there's areas of my woods where it gets really stony like this, and I can find tons of them. So hopefully you can see all the stones under the leaves here. They're all just kind of hiding under the leaves right now. And here are some biggies. I'm going to put my boot right on this one so you can see it. So big stone here. I'm not going to try to move that. And there's a really cool, really giant stone. But see how they're like, doot, 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 doot. They're like, they come right out of the ground like that. Like growing straight up out of the ground. The earth just pushes them up. And I don't know. I think it's, sorry, turn my camera sideways. I just think it's really cool. So yeah. Anyway, just a little walk in my woods. These trees are all, the really big ones are over 100 years old. If you're wondering how I know, we took some really big trees down in my yard. I counted the rings and I stopped at 110. So some of the really big ones, like that one, are probably about 100 years old or so. And they'll probably outlive me, unless the hurricane winds get them and things like that. But so anyway, I'm going to get back inside. I just wanted to take you for a little walk in my woods this morning to break up all the crazy indoor videos. I really love filming outside. If we have some nice fall days here, it's not going to get cold for a little bit here. I'm going to have more cool, show you the ground here. I think the ground is just really pretty. I walk around and I look for deer antlers. If you watched my one video, my spooky home tour, you saw all the deer antlers that are on in a bowl on my dining room table with a vase of flowers and things. And we walk around and we just look and we find deer antlers on the ground because there are so many deer out here. There's a game trail out this way. Have to go a ways. There's a hill. There's a ridge way out there. And there's a game trail. To watch where I'm walking, see all this stuff? It is so easy to trip on this. I have, okay, these things, see this right here? I've caught my toe on these before, gone and flown and landed face down. It's a good thing I haven't done real damage, but I have messed my knees up doing that before, tripping on these stones that stick out of these, like this sucker right here. They will catch your toe and you will trip. So you have to be real, it's pretty out here, but you have to be really careful walking. So I'm headed back to the house. I hope you enjoyed the little walk in my woods, and I will see you indoors for the next video. Okay, bye.